Hadley's first Christmas. Yay!
Yay! First Christmas.
She doesn't even care about the presents.
She just doesn't know. There's no precedent here.
Yay! It's stuck. Here.
Oh boy.
Yeah, oh boy, it's right. Here comes a crash. Catch up.
That could have been awesome, Bailey.
Ready?
Yay!
Good girl, Hadley.
Good job.
The wheels work?
Yeah.
All by myself, Joanna. All by myself.
Yay!
Nice
Yay! Good job. Woohoo! Yay! Look, she's like, hey guys.